Hey there, and welcome back to our trigonometry series. We have a set of equations defining x and y in terms of capital X, y, and theta. We need to find the conditions on A and B. Let's break it down step by step. By squaring and adding the given values of x and y, we get x squared plus y squared equals capital X squared plus y squared, and multiplying these values, we get xy equals capital X square minus y square sine theta cos theta minus capital X times y times cos square theta minus sine square theta. Using the values of x square plus y square and xy and simplifying, we get a equals 1 plus 2 sine 2 theta, b equals 1 minus 2 sine 2 theta, and cos 2 theta equals 0. Cos 2 theta equals 0 gives us theta equals pi over 4, and using this value of theta we get a equals 3 and b equals minus 1. So the correct answer is option 3. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning!